Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through how to take your AI assessment on CocolevioHR. Let's get started. After your application is approved by the organization you're applying to, you will receive an email with an assessment link. Use the name and email that you applied and allow permissions for microphone, camera, and full screen. Do note that these permissions are optional. Now, you have two options. Select Practice Assessment to try a sample assessment, or click Start Assessment to begin your interview. Once you start, you will go through a welcome video from the organization you're applying to. After this, you can start the assessment. You can answer questions through text or voice. Use the Submit Answer button to go to the next question. After the last answer, your assessment will be automatically submitted. And that's it. You're now ready to take your assessment with CocolevioHR. Good luck.